this week, the Galaxy A70 was spotted on TENAA, and now Samsung has quietly announced the smartphone ahead its Galaxy event on April 10. The Galaxy A70 is the newest device in the ever-growing Galaxy A series, and it brings a host of attractive mid-range features. The biggest highlight of the Galaxy A70 is its tall 6.7-inch cinematic Infinity-U display with a 20:9 aspect ratio. The phone also comes with a premium-grade design, a large battery, and an in-display fingerprint sensor, among other things. So hey folks, this is Samir, and here is everything you need to know about the Galaxy A70. Excited? So let's get started. The talking point of the Galaxy A70 will most likely be the larger 6.7-inch panel that it comes with. This display is of Super AMOLED type and boasts an aspect ratio of 20:9. This also makes the Galaxy A70 the first Samsung smartphone to sport a cinematic display. Like other new Galaxy A series device from the company, the Galaxy A70 gets a U-shaped notch at the top of the display that Samsung refers to an Infinity-U display. Housed inside the U-shaped notch is a 32-megapixel front-facing camera for selfies and video calling. The primary camera at the rear also uses a 32-megapixel sensor with an f1.7 aperture that should result in great low-light images. The rear panel also houses two other cameras that include an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and a 5-megapixel depth sensor. The front-facing camera is also used for face unlock feature. The Galaxy A70 also features an in-display fingerprint scanner, which is obviously an optical scanner. Powering the Galaxy A70 is a large 4500 mAh battery, which will support 25-watt fast charging. Even the Galaxy S10 series support 18-watt fast charging. These things aside, the handset will offer in two RAM versions, one with 8GB RAM and other with 6GB of RAM, with both versions getting 128GB of storage as base variant. The headset also gets a triple slot for housing two SIM card and one microSD card at the same time. From what is currently known, the Galaxy A70 will run on Android 9.0 Pie with Samsung's One UI on the top. The headset will also feature a similar design language as seen on some of the other A series headset. The phone will be offered in 4 color options: coral, blue, black and white. The Samsung Galaxy A70 is expected to formally announced at an event on 10th of April. Unfortunately, the company has not given any information on the pricing and availability of the smartphone, but it is expected to be priced below 30,000 Indian rupees. So guys, what do you think about this Galaxy A70? Are you excited? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.